In this video, I am going to show you how to convert GGives to your GCash wallet without using GPO, GCash Pay Online. Since GGives is a loan service that allows installment payments for purchases, there is no direct way to transfer GGives funds to your GCash wallet. However, you can use a workaround. First, find a trusted merchant or online store that accepts GGives as a payment method. Purchase an item or a digital product such as load, e-gift cards, or e-wallet credits that can be easily converted into cash. Once the purchase is complete, you can resell the item or use the e-wallet credits to transfer funds to your GCash wallet. Another method is to coordinate with a friend or trusted seller who accepts GGives payments and can send you the equivalent amount in GCash. Be cautious when using third parties to avoid scams. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.